Bhutan is often referred to as the last Shangri-La on this earth, a land that seems to be suspended in time. The small landlocked country is nestled in the eastern Himalayas with a population less than 750,000. The Kingdom of Bhutan opened from its self-imposed isolation only in the 1960s, which helped to preserve its unique culture and its environment. There's something special about our small hermit kingdom. Below are some of the reasons that makes Bhutan the top travel destination. Number 1, unique cultural heritage. Bhutan's vibrant culture is distinctive from any other and enthralling to the visitors. Bhutanese have been able to preserve and promote this age-old way of life. Bhutan today has a living culture that pervades all aspects of life, including governance. The preservation of culture and tradition are possible due to our far-sighted monarch, who have been the custodians and handed over such a wonderful culture to us and for the world to witness. Number 2, pristine environment. Bhutan is the South Asia premier ecotourism destination due to its great ecological diversity. In fact, it's one of the greenest countries in the world. The lush, densely forest that covers the entire country, which accounts about 72.5%. To ensure this, it is weaved into the constitution to maintain a minimum of 60% of the country's land area under forest cover for all times to come. Number 3, carbon negative country. Bhutan is not only carbon neutral, it is the world's only carbon negative country. While other countries are grappling to reduce pollution and carbon emission, it is a remarkable feat that this tiny nation of ours absorbs roughly over 7 million tons of carbon annually and only produces around 2 million tons. Bhutan's ability to be a net carbon sink is all thanks to its dense forest. Number 4, rich biodiversity. Bhutan's boasts of rich biodiversity with over 300 medicinal plants, 200 species of mammals, and a total of 680 species of birds have been recorded, which makes Bhutan a paradise for bird lovers, while many remain to be discovered. Number 5, colorful festival. The colorful statue of festival are top attractions in Bhutan, performed annually in every important zones of fortress, monasteries, and temples across the kingdom. While on the trip, make sure you attend one of these magical and mysterious Marks Dance. The Marks Dance festival is held to commemorate the events in the life of Guru Rinpoche, who is often revered as the second Buddha in Bhutan. Number 6, unique architecture. You will be simply blown away by the splendor of Bhutanese architecture that dot the landscape, such as impressive zones of fortress, cliff-hugging monasteries, lagungs or temple, stupas, stone walls, swinging rope bridges, which are all delight to behold. The centuries-old massive fortress or zones were built on a grand scale without help of any drawings and constructed entirely without any nails, an outstanding example of the best in Bhutanese architecture. Number 7, not expensive as most think. Bhutan encourages high and low volume, low impact tourism, and the tourist fees ranges between anywhere from $200 to $290 USD per person per day. But please be informed that these charges cover government surcharge, including all your logistic expense such as 3-star accommodation, local transport with a professional guide, attraction admission, and including your meals. The significant portion of this tourist fee is invested back to provide free healthcare, education, and to aid those in poverty in Bhutan. Number 8, happiness is measured. It's the only country in the world that measures gross national happiness index instead of a GDP. The GNH is measured from the 9 domains, 4 pillars that include sustainable and equitable socio-economic development, environmental conservation, preservation and promotion of culture, and lastly, good governance. Number 9. It is a paradise for trekkers. Bhutan is a paradise for trekkers due to the beautiful rugged terrain. Bhutan outdoor trekking takes you to the mesmerizing landscape, majestic views of Himalayan peaks, remote hamlet and alpine lakes. So these are the reasons that makes Bhutan as a top destination to visit and has been listed as number 1 place to visit as per the Lonely Planet. If you want to visit Bhutan, please contact us at Hyachen Tours and Travel. Our address is given at the last end of the video. Thank you for watching.